Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am MT, and are you bored with your standard courtesy lights in your door? Look kind of like this? Well, if you are, I have a quick, simple little mod for you that will give your car that much more personality, and it looks great as well. So, to go from your standard courtesy lights in your door to that, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. That's literally it. Without further ado, let's get to the install. So what you're going to want to do is take your flathead screwdriver and just pry at one side, and you'll push the little clip that's right there out, and then that should easily pop out. And then once you do, there's a little clip right there, and you'll just disconnect that, plug in the new one, and then pop that back into place. And I know mine went out, but that's because my lights went out. So that's pretty much it. And then when it's done, it should look something like that. And this is very vehicle specific, so you want to make sure that you have the right size and the right fitment for your car. But that's pretty much it. Love how it looks, nice little mod, and it's basically the same for the passenger side too. Super basic. And oh, another thing too, if the light is a little crooked, you can easily take this front red piece off. It just unclips, and then you can adjust the logo how you want, so that way it looks even and straight when you open your door, just like that. So that way, that's as far as the door goes, as far as like opening it. So you can actually adjust the light. Not the light, there's a little screen that has the image right here, so you can easily adjust that. But you shouldn't really have to, it should already be like that. So that's a pretty basic little mod. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy. So that's basically it for that install. So you're going from your standards to your LED door courtesy lights. It's pretty basic, and I got these off of Amazon for $14.99. I'll leave a link in the description, and don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all of that. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.